Hello everyone! Today is the big day. Yep, you guessed it. Today's the day we're giving away this Dymo 450 Turbo. So stay tuned.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
All right, so before we get into that, I want to give each and every one of you a very special thank you. All the comments on the giveaway, as well as all the comments, period. They've always just been great. You guys are awesome, and thank you so much. Keep the comments coming. Keep the likes coming. It's just great. I really appreciate it. I love reading them. It's the best part of my day. So thank you guys so much. And without further ado, here we go.
All right, here we go. I'm going to put in the search word Dymo, D-Y-M-O, and we're going to pick a winner. Good luck, everybody. The FI resellers, congratulations.
All right, and congratulations to the FI resellers. I hope I'm saying that right. If it's FI or FI or I don't know. But either way, congratulations. I'm really happy you guys won. And to get in contact with me to claim this lovely printer, go ahead and reach out to me in the contact information below, either via email, Instagram, or Facebook, and we'll get this sent out to you right away. And that's about it. Simple, easy, quick little video here. Like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing some more giveaways in the very near future. So please subscribe to the channel, as well as comment, like, you know the drill. Just do it. Take care. Bye.
Good day, sir!